lava lamp. We need some effervescent tabs and oil, a bottle, some water, food coloring, glitter, and yeah, I'm using the glitter that's for nails. You can use any glitter. Let's start. So I'm gonna do the oil for 2/3 and the water for 1/3. So first I'm gonna put this in the bottle here, and then I'm gonna put the oil. Alright, I'm done putting the 2/3 oil in the bottle, and now I'm gonna put 1/3 of water inside. OMG! Did you notice that the water went in the bottom and didn't even change colors together with the oil? But why? And it doesn't even mix together too. It's because oil and water has a different density. Now we're gonna add food coloring. I chose red. 10 drops. Oh, that's so cool. I think I did 10 drops. Oh.
Now you're gonna close it and then mix it all up. Oh, look, I see some. Look at that, so cool. It's so
I need a little more color. I think that's enough. Yep, it's turning red now. Ooh, look at that. Now I'm gonna put some glitter. I'm gonna put all. There we go. And now we're gonna mix again. All right, now you can't see it because it looks like a real lava color on the top because it's orange and red, and that's kind of like lava colors, right? So cool. I can make sure you close the lid because if you don't, it's gonna explode like a soda can or something. Oh yeah. So cool. Oh, it's starting to fish from the bottom. I didn't see. Oh, look. I see the glitter a little bit. Go on there. No, it wasn't. Oh, one's here. Alright, that's cool. Still fizzing. Oh, yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!